that's my food. Yes, looking really good and yummy.
Yeah, people, you don't know anything going on here, DJ Comedy TV. We out here represent for Julian Sewell Vlogs. You don't know anything, go check her out on YouTube. Boom!
Right, I just season up the meat, the curry chicken back. I'm gonna look about today. So have the oil acting on the stove, and this is the type of oil that I use, the organic coconut oil. Yeah, guys, this is very healthy for your body. Yes. So I'm just getting the oil really hot, then I put my curry and my garlic to burn. So that's the curry, the garlic, and the pepper burning together in the coconut oil, guys. As I said before, coconut oil is very good for your body. Yeah. So guys, that's the meat inside the pot. So I'm gonna cover it and give it some time to catch the nice color that I want. I love curry. Curry is my favorite, guys. Curry is my favorite. I would have curry like every single day. To how much I love curry. Yeah. So I'm just gonna cover the pot now. Then that's the rest of the seasoning from the pot. That's gonna go in the pot. So guys, I'm just gonna check on it again. It's coming on really good. And I still don't add any water to it or anything like that. Just allow it to catch the color. Good old curry chicken back for breakfast with brown rice. Oh god, this is what I call breakfast. So then this is the rice inside, parboiled rice. I just add my salt. When it starts to boil properly, then I will have my butter, my garlic to it. Everything I cook, I add garlic to it, guys. Okay guys, I just had some water to it. Let me turn the stove up a little bit more. Just add some water to the pot. I'm just gonna allow the seasoning and everything to cook. Close it back. So I have already put my garlic, my butter. The more water you add to this rice, guys, the more it swell. Anybody that knows about parboiled rice, it's the rice swell. So after this rice, after the water dried down, I'm gonna place the foil paper over it of the rice, and then you guys will see the outcome. So guys, I'm gonna put the foil paper over it. I think I may have cut it too small, so I'll just place the foil paper and then I cover it and wait for it to steam out. Okay, then let me see how my curry is doing. Everything looks good, guys. Everything like yummy, yummy, yummy. And smells really good. They smell really good. I'm not gonna lie. They smell really good. One thing I know, I'm good at cooking curry. Really good at cooking curry. Not only smell, tastes good as well. Anything girl cook up, it tastes good. Yeah. So guys, I'm gonna make some iced tea and put it to cool. Let me see. Yes, guys. I'm not using my stand today. So that's 2 scoops. I'm only gonna put 3 scoops, guys. 3 scoops. So I'll put 3 scoops, just a little bit of water I need in it. I don't need a lot of water. I don't want it to be fresh. That should be it. I'm gonna cover it back and place it in the refrigerator. So this is what I used to make. Okay, the iced tea ready. This is the peach one. It's very tasty, guys. The peach one is very tasty, not gonna lie. I don't like peach in anything else, but this iced tea tastes really good. I would suggest that you buy this one, guys. I would suggest that you buy it because it is really nice. So I just place a second amount of water in it because I like my meat cook really good. That's why anybody can cook for me. I just place a little bit more water in it, and I'm gonna allow it to go down to gravy. I like my meat, my curry to cook really good. So I'm gonna check on rice. Yay. This is hot. See? It's coming. See? Yes, guys. Nice. This is ready to lock off. It's ready to lock off. Who like when the rice kind of little bit itch at the bottom where you can scrape it? Yeah, these kids, they love it. So this can lock off on a butt. Me make it kind of start cake a little bit more. Look at them love when it kind of itch like. So I'm gonna make it itch. Me like it when it itch too, but in a burner anything like that, you know, guys. And guys, please remember to like the video, to comment on the video, and share the video out to let other person get to join in, guys. So guys, that's my food. Yes, looking really good and yummy. You decide if you're ever gonna let me know. Yeah.